Alright, have you ever wanted to make a shark out of origami? Well, stay tuned. We're going to make one with you. Hey art friends, I'm Nate.
I am Hyrum.
And what did we want to make with you?
Origami shark.
An origami shark. Because Hyrum loves sharks, I like sharks too. And we thought this would be fun to try to make a shark out of origami. This design is a little more complicated. It's a little trickier. So just be patient. You might have to watch it twice, or you might have to pause it in certain parts to be able to get it right. Because it was a little bit trickier for us. But we're going to share it with you how to make an origami shark. So grab some origami paper. You can pick whatever color you want. Obviously you can see we don't use the same exact color. Yeah, so just find something that inspires you and let's work together. Okay. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half and make two big triangle shapes. So I like to meet the corners together and then smash it down. Yeah, I like to use my fingernail. There you go. It's looking good so far. Okay, and then you're gonna pull. Now we're gonna take our big triangle and turn it into two little or smaller triangles. By pulling one corner over to the other. Smashing that down.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good, very good. Okay, and now we need to make a line. So we're going to do the same thing again, but we're going to unfold it, yeah. So we're going to pull this side to this side. So I try to match it up, hold it with my finger, and then smash it down. And then open it back up. So we really just need this little spot right here. Because what we're going to do now is we're going to grab this little spot and we're going to open the shape up. And we're going to fold it like that. So we're going to turn one of the little triangles into a square. Yeah, just like that. There you go. And if you want, you can smash it back down into this new shape that it has.
Little triangle. It turned into a square.
And then we're going to flip it over and do the same thing with this side. Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to grab this side. Ooh, I'm going to hold this bottom part down because it's trying to wiggle away from me.
Butt part? Oh. Okay. Wait.
Okay. So here, okay, you've got this side down. So on this side, one thing that'll help too is you want to hold this triangle down. Because mine is doing the same thing. I was like, what is going on here? So if I hold this triangle down,
and
then I'm pulling this over like that. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Then I can.
Yeah, if you want to crease it out that way.
Okay, got it.
I'll do mine real quick.
I have this mini piece of origami.
Yeah, so that makes kind of a fun little shape, right?
A mini piece of origami.
A little mini origami. Okay, now you're going to take the top, the part that's all open. There's a part that's closed, and there's a part that's all open. We're going to pull the open part down.
Oh.
Whole thing. So we're going to take it, fold it down. And then open it back up.
Okay, like that.
Yeah. Okay, now you want to just take that front little piece and pull it down.
Okay.
Okay. All right, and now this bottom flap, you're gonna grab and you're gonna fold it up a little bit of the way up. And then try your best to get it right along the middle line, so that middle line goes all the way through the middle.
Okay, like that?
Yeah, that looks great. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna fold it in half, and we're gonna do it so this triangle is on the outside. Like, I could fold it like this and it's all blue, but we don't wanna do it that way. We wanna do it this way, where it's white and blue on the outside of your new little crazy triangle shape. Awesome. Yep, just like that. Okay, now what you're gonna wanna do is I'm gonna try to put my fingers underneath this little spot right here. So here, hold yours like this, and then get your fingers so they're just right under there.
Like
Yep.
this?
Mm-hmm. And we're gonna pull out on this. And we're gonna pull it until this new little line that's being created matches up with this other line. So here, watch me do it real quick. So I'm gonna pull this until this line and this line match up, and then I'm gonna push it down. That makes sense? So here, so you try putting your fingers under there.
Oh, and then you pull this down?
Yeah, you're pulling that flap out. Yeah, there you go. Yep, and then you get it until those lines match up together, and then you kind of smash it down as best you can. That's gonna turn into his fin,
his top one.
which is also called
Dorsal.
his dorsal fin.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, so we've got now this way, and you're gonna hold it kind of this way now as we're folding. And we're gonna take, so if you look at the back side of him, he's got these three ones, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna be using this middle one.
Okay.
And we're gonna be pulling it forward
Okay.
all the
Oh,
way
the
through.
middle one.
Yeah. And you're gonna pull it all the way through like that until you pull a little bit to the front.
Like
That's
that?
gonna be the bottom part of his mouth. Yep, just like that. So once you got it where you like, I kind of hold it with my fingers and then smash it down.
I'm just gonna do this.
Yeah, that'll work too. Okay,
Okay.
and now
Do-do.
on this part, okay, so I'm holding it like this. We've got two flaps now over
Yeah.
here. I want to take this one right here, this line, and I want to match it up with this line on the top. So I'm going to fold this in half like that.
Oh. Wait,
Did that make sense?
like this?
No. So it's going to be
Oh.
like, yeah, there you go, the whole line. Very good.
That's going to be like part of the top of his body. Body? Body.
No, we're going to turn this eventually into his little
And then
side
do it on the
fin.
other side.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, so you could flip it over and do the other side if you want right now too.
Yeah, but in order the fins are going to be, they're going to be those two pieces.
Oh, the back fins.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So once you've folded those up, you can kind of fold them back down, and we're going to try to hide them inside. So go ahead and now you're going to flip those paper lines that you just folded. You're going to flip them inside of the shark to kind of try to hide them. If you did it like mine, you might have to refold it a little bit. So I made mine a little bit too long, so it's pushing up against that other paper.
No, I didn't.
Good. Well, you're in a better spot than me. There we go, refolding that. And you're left with the shape kind of like that.
Wait, so
Oh, you know that, yeah, I'm now noticing with the original design. Okay, so there's two pieces of paper, right?
Yeah.
On each side.
Unfold
So one goes out, the other goes in. Okay. And it'll be the same with this side too. One goes out and up like that, the other goes in. Sorry, I was now noticing from my notes that I was doing it wrong.
Yeah, like. Oh, yeah. Wait, what?
So yeah, so with yours, yep, that looks good. So this one will go inside.
Oh, here it is. I
that
thought
make
I
sense?
didn't have it.
Yeah, and so on the other side you'll flip that.
Wait, this
and
one
then
will
other.
go here. Now it's flipping. Now it's flipping.
Okay. There we go. And then we'll take this, the outside flap on both sides, and we'll fold it down like this. So I'm going to take this outside one and fold it in half. Like that. Yeah, perfect. Good job. Okay.
So the other side.
Yep, and then on the other side too. We are almost done. Hopefully you haven't gotten too frustrated or too confused at this point. Like I said before, if you are, just go back, replay, pause, whatever you need to do. Don't get too frustrated. Sometimes we get frustrated too. Huh. We ran into that problem with this design too. This is a little more complicated origami than we've tried before, so yeah.
And then
Anyways.
make a fin.
And then, yeah, you're gonna pull it out and make kind of like his little side swimming fin. So you just kind of pull it out. If you need to fold it to kind of hold that shape better. So to fold it, like I'm putting my fingernail like this, and then I'm kind of pulling the paper against it.
Like that?
It up. Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
I need help making the other one exactly the same.
Well, it could help if, like right here, you can put your fingernail where that is, and then keep your finger on the other side, and then kind of pull it against that same line. That way they look pretty close to the same. All right, looking good so far.
Now all we need is the back fin.
Yeah, now we need to make the back fins. So for that, we've got two little flaps here that we're going to use for the back fins, and one of them you're going to fold it up. You can make this as steep or as shallow as you want. So one's gonna go up.
One's gonna go down.
And one is gonna go down.
We made socks! Oh, wait, do you have to spin it?
Oh, that kind of, when I did that, it made his mouth look kind of closed. Yeah, I'm gonna pull his mouth down a little bit more. I don't know if that's fixable at this point, but we'll see. Does your mouth? Oh, your mouth stayed open. Mine is the one that closed. Oh well, there we go. I'll go like that. All right, cool. We've got some good shark shapes. Hope you guys ended up with something that looks like a shark.
Yes.
Ours took a little bit of working in the middle. We got a little bit lost at one point, but origami can be frustrating and it can also be a lot of fun. So hopefully you guys are exploring it, seeing what you can do and not getting too frustrated, because you can end up with something kind of cool. Does it look exactly like a shark?
No.
Not really, but it definitely feels like a shark when you look at it, right?
A little bit like a shark.
A little bit like a shark. I think that's what's fun about origami. You can make an exact drawing of a shark, and that's something that's cool. But you can also like play around with the design or the idea of a shark. And that's kind of what origami is to me. So, hope you guys had fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Okay. Yeah. So good luck working on your shark. Hope you have fun, and whatever you explore this week in art, I hope you enjoy doing it. We'll see you guys next time. Feel free to subscribe to the channel to find new fun videos that you can try as a family or as a kid. And yeah, let us know in the comments what you thought. If there's something else you'd want to try too. Anyways, we will see you guys later. Right?
Yeah.
We'll see you guys on the next one. And in the meantime, keep creating something awesome because the world needs you. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.